Welcome my students again. Now we are trying to find out, concentrate on this topic. What is the meaning of trajectory? Okay. Uh, Before telling much more about the trajectory of the projectile, I want to say that what actually trajectory means. Actually, if you just walk over a muddy road, at that time your footprints will be left over by you. And if you try to locate your location, say if you are moving over a bus or taxi or something, at that time the pointer moves in the Google map. It actually shows the trajectory of you. So now you are just trying to find out what is the equation of trajectory of the projectile. Let us see. We know that if a particle is thrown by an angle u, by making an angle theta, then the trajectory will be like this. Clear? Then if I take any point x comma y, if it is thrown at t equal to 0, we can say at t equal to small t, the particle is at the position x comma y. When the particle is at the position x comma y, if we are able to find out its equation of motions in terms of x comma y, then it is called a trajectory. Let us see step by step. If I say that this is the x and this is y, okay, trajectory is like this. We consider a point x comma y on this trajectory at time say t equal to t. At t equal to 0, the particle is fired. So when the particle is fired, at that time this is the initial velocity and it makes an angle theta with it. Okay, if it is, we can say that the u along x-axis is u cos theta. Okay. Then in going from t equal to 0 to t equal to t, what is the horizontal distance covered by it? How can we calculate? We'll calculate by the formula, that is x equal to ux into t. Okay, since the acceleration due to gravity is always acting downwards, so we can say it is x equal to ux into t. So ux is u cos theta into t. Okay, now if I try to find out for the y component, that is along this vertical axis, y, then uy is equal to u sin theta. Then y equal to uy plus 1 by 2 into minus of g into t square. So if it is, then we can say it is u sin theta minus of 1 by 2, obviously here should be a t, is equal to ut plus half of t square, so here should be a t, minus of half of g into t square. So if I place u sin theta here, and t can be replaced from this equation, t equal to x divided by u cos theta, this is the equation 1, we can say. So it is x divided by u cos theta minus of 1 by 2 into gt square, g into x divided by u cos theta whole square. Okay, so from here we can write that y equal to, u and u cancels out, so it will be x tan theta minus of 1 by 2 into g into x square divided by u square cos square theta, or you can say it is tan theta into x minus of g divided by 2 of u square cos square theta into x square. So this form can be written as y equal to ax minus of b into x square. So you can say this is the equation of trajectory of the projectile motions at a time is absent. It is dependent on x and y only. So the equation of the trajectory equal to u equal to ax minus of b into x square. Okay, so here is the linear dependence in addition to the square dependence on x. So let us take x equal to 2. So what is the value? Y equal to 2a minus of 4b. If x equal to say 5, what is the value of y? Y equal to 5a minus of 25b. If we say x equal to 10, then y equal to 10a minus of 100 into b. So just see the linear dependence, that is the a and b. Okay, so we can say the first term is increases at a slower rate than that of the second term if I increase the value of x. Okay, so that's why you can say if I want to plot the y versus x like this way, then just see y is proportional to x. Okay, but y is proportional to x, it is linearly proportional to x, but b is proportional to minus x square, it is somehow like this. Okay, so at first it follows y proportional to x like this. After some time, due to b minus of x square, due to acceleration, due to gravity, because b contains, because you know that b equal to g divided by 2 u square cos square theta. So b contains this term, so due to the acceleration due to gravity, this is coming downward. If the acceleration due to gravity is absent, if g equal to 0, then e equal to x, the particle will move like this. But since the acceleration due to gravity is present, so there is the existence of the term b, so it is coming downward. So we have understood that why the equation of trajectory shows like this, and the mathematical equation why it is of this form. So along the x-axis, x equal to ux into u cos theta, okay, and x equal to 0. Okay, so this is the motion of the particle under a uniform velocity, so x equal to ux into t, so x equal to u cos theta into t. Along the y-axis, uy equal to u sin theta and ay equal to minus of g, so y equal to uy into t plus 1 by 2 into minus of gt square. So if I put the value of t from here, then equation results in this. After that, the equation is of the form y equal to ax minus bx square. Okay, from here a equal to tan theta and b equal to g divided by 2 u square cos square theta. So it has a linear dependence on x for smaller values of x and a square dependence on x for the higher values of x that we have seen. So from there we have got the y proportional to x and y proportional to minus x square. So the equation of trajectory shows the particle moves along this path. Okay, and now I write down the equation again. Okay, y equal to x tan theta 1 by 2 gx square divided by u square cos square theta. Okay, so from here if I take x tan theta as common from these two terms, then it will be 1 minus of 1 by 2 gx square divided by u square cos square theta 1 divided by x tan theta. So if I do a little bit calculation, you may pause the video and see, it will becomes g divided by u square sin 2 theta into x. So this term is nothing but the range of the projectile, so it can be written as x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Sometimes the coordinate of the particles are given. Okay, that is in terms of range. That is, if it is say just take that x comma y equal to r by 4 comma 3 r by 4, what is the velocity of projection? It's like this type of equations will be, this type of questions will be asked. Okay, so in that cases this equation is very much valid. It's a valid at that time, it's very important at that time. Okay, not only that, this equation of trajectory can be also expressed in terms of the quadratic equation of tan theta, like this: y equal to x tan theta minus the 1 by 2 gx square divided by u square cos square theta. We can replace this 1 by cos square theta as a sec square theta. Okay, other equations remain as it is. Sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. If it is 1 plus tan square theta, from this, if I put the value of tan square theta, without putting, if I arrange the value of tan square theta like this, then it will be a quadratic equation. Okay, you may pause the video, take your time, you also able to do this. So it is just like that: a tan square theta plus b tan theta plus c. It is just like a quadratic equation of Siddharacharya. And from that, if I want to find out the value of x, that is tan theta here, it will be minus of b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now from the Siddharacharya equation, you know that if the determinant, that is b square minus 4ac, is that positive, then tan theta is have two values. Okay, so obviously here for every value of x and y, tan theta have two values. Okay, that is b square minus 4ac. If the tan theta have two values, obviously sometimes this shows the Galileo's outcome. Okay, for a particular value of range, it will shows the Galileo's outcome. That is for 30 degree and 60 degree, the range is same. Okay, this is the thing. And if b square equal to 4ac, then it will be minus of b divided by 2a. Then there will be only one particular value of theta. And what it actually represents? So it basically represents minus of b by 2a. So it is one particular value of theta. So what does it mean? That is, it means that that tan theta, that is one particular value of theta, we can reach that target. We can say theta equal to 45 degree. One particular value of theta, we can reach that target, a maximum range we can reach. And if b square minus 4ac, if b less than 4ac, then this term will be an imaginary. Then it is not the regarding to our questions or existence. If b square minus 4ac, then 2u square divided by gx equal to less than this quantity. Okay, so this is quite a bit of imaginary cases. Okay, since we are dealing with the realistic approaches here, we should not consider this type of imaginary cases. Okay, so this equation, that is the quadratic equation in terms of theta, this is also an important equation that we have obtained from the equation of trajectory. So these are these two cases that we have discussed, that there will be one particular value of x, y. For that there will be angular projections. For one particular value of angular projection, it can reach the target. We can see the case of maximum range. And for the negative values of x and y are not allowed, because it leads to the imaginary domain. Okay, so I think we have seen lots of things about the trajectory of the projectile motion. From the starting the trajectory of the projectile motions, what we have known in different cases, that is the case of representing in terms of the range and representing in terms of the quadratic equations of the tan theta. From that, how the determinants actually tells us the different values of thetas, how we get from there. So questions can be asked in a twisted manner, and when these theoretical approaches becomes beneficiary in the time of examination, you also don't know. So please write it down, because I have shown all of these things after calculations in a handwritten note. So handwritten note, I have again give this importance. Take the handwritten notes, and please just subscribe to this channel and if you have subscribed it, then you just share it to your friends so that they can also know about this, because when the wire begins in the exam hall, that will be open to all, and you will be the winner from your talent without hiding anything. All of you know the tricks, all of you know the things, your friends you also know the same things, but at that time there will be experiment of the talent. So please share, and if you like these videos then please comment here. Thank you.